What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to speed up the playback speed of a video on YouTube. Now I'm on iOS, but if you're on Android or any other mobile phone, this should work in a very similar process, if not the same. So obviously what you're going to do is you're going to open up the YouTube app from your selected app store that you have on your phone. And then once you're at your YouTube app, you're just going to select the video that you want to speed up. I assume you're probably already at this process, but if you're not, I just wanted to give you that little guide there. But if you're on the video that you want to speed up, what you're going to end up doing is you're going to tap on the video itself, and it's going to bring up this overlay right here. As you can see, I'm turning on and off. And what you're going to do from this overlay is hit the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of it. They're stacked vertically in case you missed it. And you could see about 6 options down on this menu that it brings it up. It's going to bring up a menu for playback speed. You're going to hit on that. Now the default is obviously the normal playback speed, but you could see here that you can make it 1.5 or 1.25 times, 1.5 times, and 2 times. So 2 times is obviously going to be 2 times faster, and then 1.5 will be like 3/4 times faster, and 1.25, and so on. And you could see the difference. Obviously, if it goes too fast for you, you could adjust it and make it a little slower, or if it goes too slow, keep adjusting it until you get to that effect 2 times. It's all up to you on how your playback speed of the video, how you want it. But that's pretty much all there is to it though. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how this works, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.